How to connect Minecraft to Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain why Minecraft and Roblox cannot be connected or played together, and more importantly, how you can still create an awesome adventure that feels like they are. Let's get started. Why Minecraft and Roblox cannot connect. Minecraft and Roblox are completely different platforms. They run on different game engines, use different coding languages, and don't share servers or accounts. That means no crossplay, no shared maps, and no way to directly interact between the two games. You cannot join a Roblox game from Minecraft, and you cannot open Minecraft from inside your Roblox. Creative solution. Simulate a cross-game adventure. Step 1. Choose or create a game in Roblox. Play an hobby or adventure game with a cool ending. In the final stage, tell players, using chat or signs if possible, your next mission continues in Minecraft. Join playmyserver.com. Step 2. Set up a Minecraft world or server. Create a world that looks like a continuation of the Roblox story. Use signs or messages like, "Welcome back. This is the next stage of your journey." Step 3. Share your adventure. Post the Roblox game link and Minecraft server IP together. Invite your friends or audience to play both parts of the story, one in each game. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to connect Minecraft to Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.